This is Matt with Infantry USA. We're over here working on the MT100. You know, we do tree work. Common problem is, you know, this little freaking spring up in here. This guy. There's one on the other side over here. Down in there, you see it hanging? We got our wrench stuck. This is a fucking shit show. Matt's in here undoing these. You gotta take those off in order to move this hydraulic. Gotta release this one and this one. You gotta take this thing off of right here. What we used, you know, this 5-ton puller. Go rent you one, 60 bucks. AutoZone, Advanced Auto. Bring it back, get your money back. And Bobcat wants about $750 to do. It's 5 hours worth of work, guys. Me and Matt been at it for about an hour now. Gotta break this bolt loose, this bolt loose. I wouldn't take the other side off. You just want to give you enough room. Can't really see. Down in here. Get my camera better. This right here is the thing that holds the bearing on. On the other side here is the hydraulic, and they meet. There's not enough room to get the bolt out. All right, guys, here we are back again. We done got this out. You should take that hose off if you can't get it out like we did. We took a wrench, put it up under there to lift it up because the hoses are kind of heavy. Let's see up in there, Matt. What's it look like? See his wrench? You go redneck ingenuity, that's all. And move it back. You gotta get the bottom of that part right there. Zoom in. Matt don't want no part of this. See that? Down in there. Right. And my fucking camera. Right there. Look, this thing. The only chrome thing right there. Where's my finger? Come on, finger. Right to the right there. That's what you gotta unscrew, and that's the bolt on the other side of it. And then you have to take your spring. So put your spring on there like that. Once you get that one out, put the other one on there. Let's get them again. Let's get them again, guys. We're gonna get up in here. My $1,500 or $1,400 phone. Oh, it's way bigger picture. Look at that quality, gentlemen. That's dope. Y'all see Matt back there? Say hi. I see you, Matt.
I see you looking.
What you looking ass? Catch Matt in the kitchen with his cooking ass. Whipping up the springs. You see this close quarter combat, gentlemen? He's getting it though. I give him the right tool for the job. Now he's getting it. Making quick work of this shit. Glad we stole the customer's wrench.
Right.
Because this would have been a bitch. No, the Bobcat did that all by himself. The Bobcat said, that's my shit, bro. No, don't take it. You're not done yet. I would keep that on there, man.
No, I'm putting my hands on it.
Oh, you can get your hand in it? Oh, you can. Look at this, guys. This motherfucker's got his hands in there. Hell to the fuck, no. You want to see where he's at? Look, this is where he's at. He's going in through the back, down there. He's all up in here, guys. You got it though. Now we're going to take this spring right here. Matt, you want to change the other ones while he got this shit off? Okay, ladies and gents, we're back with Matt. We got the spring on, guys. It didn't take 5 hours like Bobcat said. You have to put the on the bottom one, and then you gotta get this little cool tool right here. You gotta reach down in here, and you gotta grab that spring, and then you gotta take that bolt in that little tight ass fucking hole and somehow get it to go in the hole and through the spring right here. See that? It's a bitch. Just so you know. You will be tested. All your patience.
Your head will be split.